Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
camcorder bundles.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Again, SmilePowo here. I don't have the name. So you open up the case, you get this. There's a lot in there. I'm gonna go step by step and direction by direction and tell you guys what's inside all of these bags, and here it goes. So here we have something really useful, a couple different things actually. Knobs. You have one knob, two knobs, three knobs. Even there's four in there somewhere. I'm not really four. I can't get that. Whatever. Four. There we go. Four knobs. Knobs. And then you also have this extends your GoPro, and it can make it so you can move it. So just like I showed you on the alligator mount, that's a perfect example of something you can use with this. So these two go into each other. You use a knob, or whatever you want to call it, you screw them together. You can also position it differently, so it's like this. You take your alligator mount, or your clip mount, your whatever mount you want to use it on, honestly. You put one side, whichever one you want on it, like this. So it just sits there. Again, you use a screw or knob, whatever you want to call it, just screw it on. And then you take your GoPro and, well, I did it wrong. No, I didn't. I did it. So you put your GoPro on, like, obviously it'll be screwed tighter. I didn't screw that tight. You put your GoPro, I am having trouble, right? You put your GoPro on it, you screw it just like any other mount you would, like you would on any other mount, sorry. Wait, 9 o'clock. And you, again, grab your backpack or whatever you want to put it on. And then now, you can have it face any way you want it to face. It can face the other way if I just put it on differently. So let's say you have your backpack on. You can record in front of you if you reposition this. It's a great way you can record yourself, kind of. So that's what you can use those for, along with other mounts. So next in the bag, let me take these apart. I need my GoPro. Looks like you have a handlebar mount. Yeah. So I haven't ever used one before. I'm planning to hopefully use it on my new bike that I have. I've heard great things about them. Great. They're great. So I had another set of mounts a long time ago. They all broke. They were not good. And they had a different kind of bike mount. It wasn't as sturdy as this one. Seems like it is too. A lot better. So what this does, you unscrew this.
Inside the storage case are more accessories, which we'll go through later on. It even has a nice waterproof case right here. Some wipes. So this accessories kit, as you can see, comes with a variety of accessories. And I will test this with my GoPro 10. The first one that we're going to go through is this nice extendable monopod. And let's see if it fits with my GoPro 10. As you can see, it fits perfect. Next, the kit comes with a flexible tripod. The tripod legs are so flexible, which enables you to pretty much mount your GoPro anywhere. And it has a nice GoPro anchor. And it comes with its own thumb screw. And it fits perfect. Another one that comes with a kit is this floating monopod with a hand strap. And trust me, you need this in case you drop your GoPro in the water. Another one that comes with a kit is this beautiful waterproof case. It comes with its own rapid release GoPro anchor. So you can transfer this from a chest strap to your headgear or to your handheld monopod.